Hello students, welcome back. So I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. So in our previous video, we had started discussion about our body. Why our body is so important for us? Why we should always take care of our body? Why we should always be healthy and fit? Because our body is a very important machine. Yes, we can call our body a machine because it performs various tasks. And do you know what helps our body to perform these tasks? Any guess? Yes, our body organs or different parts of the body help our body to work properly. There are many organs in our body and they have different functions, but they all are required to work together to make our body more healthy and fit. So every organ in our body has different functions, but they are required to make our body work all together in a healthy way. So before I start today's chapter, that is chapter number 5, our organ system, I want to discuss with you that our organs or body parts can be divided into two parts, external and internal. So let's study about them in some details. So we can divide our organs into two parts, external and internal. External body parts are those parts of our body that we can see from outside. And internal body parts are those parts which are inside our body and cannot be seen from outside. Let me show you some examples of these organs. Let me show you some examples of external body parts. Here you can see the picture of hands. Can you see your hands? Yes, they are visible to us outside the body. So they are external body part. Legs are also external body parts. Your neck is also an external body. Your feet are also an example of external body. Heart is an example of internal organ. Brain, lungs and stomach. Now students, tell me, what is this pen made up of? It is made up of plastic. Okay. What is this book made up of? Yes, it is made up of paper. So have you ever wondered what is your body made up of? What are we made up of? We are made up of cells. What are cells? Cells are thousands of small particles that together make a body. So let's study about cells in some detail. So let us study what is a cell. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. All living things are made up of cells. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. These cells form the basic structure of our body. Cells are of different kinds: muscle cells, bone cells, nerve cells, skin cells and many more. So your homework for today is that you have to do the activity given at the beginning of the chapter number 5. The activity is identify the organ and you have to do it in your book only. So that's all for today. We will continue with this chapter in our next video. Till then, you read the chapter and after watching the video, please click on the like and subscribe button and don't forget to mention your section and class in the comment box. Take care.